Let's double check the Arweave targets updates with my customer Gasser. This is one of really underrated token, I guess. Not because I'm a fan of this token. No, I'm not a fan of any of this token. But we saw trade now so under fundamental value. So fundamental value of this token is $7.64. And this one is dumped on October 10 to $1.29. I guess on the Binance it was even lower. After that, on the weekly time frame, like you can see, we reject till penny, test below the fundamental value, and reject it at the beginning of November. So locally, I wish to, let's find the global targets here. It's fundamental value 769, buy line 1014, take profit 2010 and 2275. So let's add alert to take profit. So one day we'll come back and test that take profit line. So I'm just add alert and wait. Weekly time frame, this is a capitulation. Nice one. So let's go now to the daily time frame where we can find the support. Tomorrow, we'll see the decision from Japan Bank about rates, and I guess they will increase it, and usually the market reacts negative. I hope all this downtrend on the BTC is already priced in, but if not, Arweave will test for sure if tonight we will see the correction. $3.07, it's a buy line on the daily. Fundamental value of this token on the daily, $2.30. So different time frames, different metrics. On even on the daily, it's total capitulation. Even on the monthly, we're in the capitulation zone since March 2025. So technically, like speculation, I guess it can be the okay zone to buy. Let's close the take profit. That zone, what I showed you, not now. Up to your own risk, of course, you can buy even now. If we take a look the week, this also, for me, it's not enough reason to buy now because 0.5 level by FIP of this week, what will leave it on that dump? $2.64, $2.32. So this is levels here for the value. Now, by magic, it's 0.61 level by FIP of the week candle. Got it. Let's take a look. Trade on. Take profit from the sales. Buy was on the next day, right? Sell from buy, sell, take profit from buy, sell November 8 on the daily. Now only the buybacks. Let's add alert to the buy, take profit from that buy signal, from that sell signal. ADZ. Direction ADZ, it's not on this ticker. Take trade on, we can still check it because I would like to double check on 12 time frame. Direction, no signals to buy. 12 time frame. Some accumulation since December 15, it's good. Sell. Take profit from the sales on the test 23 by FIP, we see the signal to buy. Today, we a little bit bounce it. But for me personally, yes, of course, this can be the reversal move from current prices, but for me, it's not enough, right? It can be that trap. With this move or this night, we will see the increase the rate in Japan and we will drop to 264, 296. Got it. So till end of December, we can see these levels. Guys, it's more than real. So Arweave will be one of not so many token, which not drop and not close the 50% of the week. So we just closed 23% of this week and maybe we'll skyrocket to the moon from current prices. But just in case, for me, it's not enough reason now for reversal move. 12 time frame, yes, of course, it's capitulation disbelief. Technically, it's bullish. Money power. The last indicator, let's hide the take profit, trade on. Some buy signal was a few days ago and 2 days, 14 and 15 December, 370, 346 average, good entry for accumulation. Some whales accumulate, but guys, keep in mind, whales also can be in losses. And the weekly, here, some accumulation was 369, we pump it to 864, dump, no new money inflow. Let's add alert to the money inflow. we will track it and I will see the notification. So recently we saw the take profit, money inflow on the TAO on the daily, then the buy line on the Zen. So this is what I'm looking for the Arweave. And let's double check, by the way, the RVP indicator, this one, visible range on the daily. It's really important to check the, let me hide this sticker. Let's find another one, because on the crypto it doesn't work. Right, so let's choose the Gateo. I guess it's the oldest one chart. So here, this is a point of control for 0.8. So this is like rejection. And I would like to check the volume area high, volume area low. So we already passed the volume area low. So under is almost zero volume, zero interest. So that's why if we will see the rejection, this can be the free fall because there is no support. And it's rejection, and the time to fix the profit, withdraw initial deposit at least is going to be 6.63. Let's check on the smaller time frame, 4-hour time frame. Come on, this one. So also underrated. So this is a main K range, 369, 450. So I think even if we come back today, 369, we can see the rejection. So be careful, guys, because we can see one more leg down. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about AR. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I will show it in this video. Right, Mariam. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.